5 surprising coconut oil uses you can benefit from today. The most recent craze surrounding coconut oil has been the traditional Ayurvedic practice, oil pulling. Consumers have flocked to supermarkets and health stores to get their hands on one of oral health's best-kept secrets. But the benefits of this antibacterial and antifungal super ingredient don't stop at your teeth. Coconut oil is the latest food cure-all that can have profound positive effects on your overall health. Coconut oil is a heart-healthy food that can help keep your body running smoothly and efficiently in a number of ways. The oil contains a combination of fatty acids, medium-chain fatty acids (MCFAs), which contain antioxidant properties and help in the absorption of other minerals. Here are the various ways it can impact your health. 1. Lowers cholesterol. This superfood is loaded with saturated fats that actually raise HDL, good cholesterol, and lower your risk of heart disease. Coconut oil contains an unusual blend of short and MCFAs, specifically lauric, capric, and myristic acids that are linked to special health benefits, such as reducing cholesterol. This corresponds to a 2009 study published in the journal Lipids, which found coconut oil reduced total and LDL cholesterol while increasing HDL, compared to soybean oil. 2. Weight loss aid. The medium-chain triglycerides in coconut oil can speed up energy usage compared to other fats. The MCTs in coconut oil, according to Reinhardt, digest as fast as sugar in the body. MCTs are used up preferentially as opposed to other fuel sources and so don't get added to fat cells or ultimately contribute to weight gain. Since there is delayed digestion in the liver, they boost metabolism. 3. Moisturizes skin. Coconut oil can be used as a skin moisturizer because of its vitamin E content and its positive antioxidant action in the body. This helps stop the damage to the tissues in the body since oxidation is a major source of skin aging. Its antimicrobial properties can also be useful with things like acne, eczema, psoriasis, and staph infections. A 2004 study published in the journal Dermatitis found coconut oil can improve the moisture and lipid content of people with dry skin. 4. Better brain function. The MCTs in coconut oil provides a secondary fuel source aside from glucose that the brain and nervous system can function on. High sugar can contribute to neurological problems, including Alzheimer's, which has been theorized as a type 3 diabetes. In Alzheimer's, the brain effectively blocks glucose uptake, so it is fuel deprived, which can lead to general neurodegeneration. 5. Kills bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Coconut oil has lauric acid, which is believed to have antifungal, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. This makes it helpful with various types of infections. A 2000 study published in the Journal of Bacteriology found lauric acid and monolaurin can kill pathogens like the bacteria Staphylococcus aureus. It was added that coconut oil helps in the absorption of other nutrients, such as vitamins and minerals. Add coconut oil to your daily diet for better health. Thank you for watching. To learn more about the uses and benefits of coconut oil to the human body, please click the link below this video.